In this quick demo, you'll create an executive summary report and send it to your customer stakeholders so they can clearly see the technical and business value of the services you provide. Before you start, the report widgets populate with real data only when there's activity to report. So ensure at least one workload or cloud app is registered and protected, or at least one service is being used. The executive summary is built around protection status and service usage metrics. From the management portal, open Reports, then Executive Summary. Click Create Executive Summary Report and fill in the basics. Report name, enter a name like Executive Summary Monthly. Choose who receives the reports, send to all direct customers or specific recipients, depending on your workflow. If you want automatic delivery, enable Scheduled. Otherwise, keep it off for a report you'll send on demand. For scheduling, select the month, set the time, and click Apply. Click Save to create the report. Now let's customize what the customer sees. The executive summary is organized into sections with widgets. You can tailor it to your customer's priorities. Drag sections to change their order. Put the most important outcomes first. Click a section's widget controls and add a widget or remove one. Click the pencil icon on a widget to change settings. To send it immediately, open the report and click Send Now. The report is sent right away using the recipient's date range and file format configured in Settings. If you prefer automation, open Settings, enable Scheduled, confirm the date and time, and save, and it will be delivered automatically. That's it. You've created, customized, and delivered an executive summary to your customer stakeholders. They can understand at a glance.